big Rango. Damn. Elephant badge.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Damn. Oh. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo comes out with another YouTube video, man. Today we got a video shoot, man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Y'all know all I drop is bangers, man. Got the Dior's today. I got the Mary's on. Got my boy video shoot, JJ on Mars. Make sure that y'all follow him on Instagram, JJ on Mars. On Mars TV, so make sure that y'all follow him. Both of these his cars. I was finna bring one of my cars, but my cousin ain't even slide.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Y'all on, man? What you on, fuck?
Yeah, we out here, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been out here in a minute.
AJ from the shop, man. His ass don't be posting, bro. You gotta post, bro. You tripping. You tripping, shorty.
What we just talking about posting back on YouTube. As a matter of fact,
Oh, bro. Both of these niggas never post. Oh, yeah, they tripping. Man. Yeah, they tripping, bro. They as awkward as hell.
I got my camera in the car. I'm gonna start up the vlog. Fuck.
Oh, bro. YouTube channel, man.
YouTube,
1K.
subscribe to my YouTube, the 1K family. I'm not, my car channel gonna be on the 1K family. That's what I'm gonna leave it at. But my Jalen 1K, that's gonna be for hoes.
Oh, bro. My shorty just get fresh. He just motherfucker came out to just bust a fit. RTAs and all, folks. Louis hat, damn.
So why you gonna change the name from the 1K family to like?
I don't know what to change to. So
1K family.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Bro, don't even got no damn kids and shit, bro. You tweaking. You tweaking like you got kids and shit, bro.
Change that shit to like Jalen point of view POV or some shit or something like that,
Bro.
Or I could do more Jalen 1K.
Yeah.
I could do that.
I was overcharged, and I ain't gonna lie, folks, for shoes and shit. Oh, bro, I was doing the same thing.
He said he was overcharging for shoes and shit.
Oh, bro, that shit was so sweet, bro. Nowadays, people that motherfucker ran out of bread, bro.
Oh God, they asked me a couple times, but I was like, it was 2020, so it was like still. You was a
Boy said, when you talk about the money, nigga, mention me. Folks say I could pull up phones back to back with both the AMGs. What? They tweaking. Talking about 773 records. They funny as hell.
It's real, you know what I'm saying? It's real.
Let me get a little quick. My boy fresh as hell with Mary down. Bro, your ass wear Mary every day.
Head to toe though.
Bro, they need to sponsor you, folks. You done spent too much. What kind of book bag that is? Kasubi? Yeah, they need to sponsor you. Let me see how you coming, man. He said he got 700 stars in his mid. He ain't got 700 stars in it. I gotta see this shit.
They're on the window again.
Damn. I wanna be going by her person shit. Damn, it's another person, man.
Yeah, but that's hard, bro.
Damn, this shit ain't focusing, y'all.
Twinkle,
Oh,
twinkle,
yeah,
little star
there
in
we
that
go.
bitch.
Oh, bro, this bitch is crazy. My boy pulled up in his scat. Shout your Instagram out, man.
It's the first Mercedes-Benz.
Oh, bro.
I should turn out the I got you.
Shout your Instagram out, man.
I went AK, man.
Bro, make sure that y'all follow my boy.
Back to back, yeah.
Oh, bro, he got the lights on. Man, I need some of these. Yeah?
Bro, for the 250, go fucking low.
Right.
Yeah, your shit low as hell. This shit low as hell. Just not damn this shit, man. They're on the floor. You peep how low this shit is.
Bro, I was looking at
This shit hugging the flow.
Oh God.
We got these joints out, man. My boy working. What's your Instagram? Bro, what's up? My boy out here working. Music videos or like photos, like whatever.
Photos, videos of any kind, business promos, commercials, anything that anybody graphic.
Exactly. Hit him up, y'all. I'm gonna put his shit right there. Put his shit right there. If y'all need anything, hit him.
Fuck it, gang. Delinquent shit. If y'all want to do it, if y'all don't want to do that shit, I mean,
shit, it's whatever. I don't got shit to do, folks. My son up in Puerto Rico, I could do whatever I want for the whole night. Man, we gonna have to see about that one. We gonna have to see about that one, man.
yeah, it's over with now.
Yeah, this shit over with. I'm gonna have to do that shit somewhere else, bro. Alright, y'all, so we going to this next location right now. I'm gonna let y'all know when we there. Brody got a Hellcat Rango. Damn. I wonder who that is in that Rango. That joint look crazy. Big Rango. Damn. Elephant badge.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Damn. Oh. God damn. That bitch looks so fucking wet. Fucking elephant. It's a cop like 4 cars behind us. That's why we not tripping right now, y'all. This Durango got a no plate cover though. So he good, but for the rest of us, we ain't finna be tripping. I know he gon' take it. Alright, cool. Alright, y'all. So we about to wrap it up right now. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm just about to have my homie record. We finna do burnouts real quick. But if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm dropping videos every 2 days, man. We on the grind. We on the grind. Shout out to all my boys, man. Make sure that y'all follow them, subscribe to their channels, all type of shit.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy. Hey man, hopefully my shit don't stay.
Are you good?
I'm gonna show you right now, we come to almost at 30K. Yeah.
No, subscribe to my
Hold on,
YouTube,
here you go, here you
Jalen 1K.
go.
They about to
Oh yeah, come on, let's get active.
Yup.
Let's get active.
Alright, let's go.
Your time. Oh yeah. Shit. Yo. Alright, y'all. So we going to this next location right now. I'm gonna let y'all know when we there. That's clean. What you on, my boy?
Just racing a Camaro.
That's a real thing. Make sure that y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This ain't nothing, man. This just for today. Let me come over here for y'all real quick. y'all real quick, man. They trying to ride out, it look like. In a Hartho type shit. What you on, my boy?
What you on for? What game at, folks?
I don't know.
What you on, guys?
His ass in the crib watching Netflix or something. I don't know where he at. Say something motivational for the people.
Say some motivation.
Yeah, motivation.
Work hard, stay loyal to yourself.
At the camera, bro.
Work hard, stay loyal to yourself. Grind hard, you can get something like this.
Oh, bro. You grind hard, you could get something like this, shorty.
Oh, yeah, we getting it, bro.
Y'all ass about to get up out of here?
We're about to go to this taco spot. Come on.
Oh, bro.
Let's go.
Yeah, y'all. This one right here. My boy pulled up in his scat. Shout your Instagram out, man.
It's the first Mercedes-Benz.
Oh, bro.
I should turn out. I got you.
Brody got a Hellcat Rango. Damn. I wonder who that is in that Rango. That joint look crazy. Big Rango. Damn. Elephant badge.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Damn. Oh. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content.